Hey guys! Alright, so here it is Saturday. One day out from New York Pro. Sorry I'm rushing around this morning so my hair is soaking wet. I have my Nutriject Meals all for the weekend. These are for today. And then of course we have tomorrow's, and I actually just heated up meal 1. So I'm going to be eating that in a second. But I just wanted to show you guys that Nutriject can be as strict as you need it to be. Because I, of course, am using them for the day before and the day of my pro debut. So I just wanted to show you guys. You know, I labeled them because I'm crazy like that. But they're basically all the same. And I get my carbs. Yay! So, I'll see you guys soon. Chaz will probably be videotaping me asleep on the car ride up. Hopefully I'm sleeping. So, see you guys soon. How far are we?
We are 27 minutes. Oh shit. Must be the Indian.
27 minutes away. I've been sleeping. Now 27 minutes out.
Should we do the 9 Roxbury? Does that mean you know it? Here we go, Pete. We're at the Marriott, pulling in.
Turn left onto Point W Boulevard.
Don't ask me how I'm getting this footage. It's not safe. Rick will get mad at me. We're here. There's Rick. There's security. I don't know if you guys see her or not.
And that's what we're securing.
And that's what we're securing.
Okay, green light.
Oh, green light. That's oncoming traffic. Gotta watch out for oncoming traffic. It's very hazardous.
Or
Clearly has a signal one. I'm going for it.
we'll end up in the hospital for the sign surgery.
Yeah, I know. Alright guys, this is in the room with Katie Sauter. I just want you to explain to you what the day before a show is like. And she looks at me and she says, Chaz, get on your side of the bed. You know, she tried to push me over and make me feel bad. And I want you to see exactly what her side of the bed looks like. Alright? So, that's all she's allowing me to have, right? There's Katie. And I don't know who's on the side. Is that the side for the remote controller? I don't know who's there, but she says I'm too close to her on this side. So, I mean, why in the center of the bed? Straight chilling, babe?
Straight chilling. It's like almost 8 p.m. right now. I get my next coat of tan at 8:30, so I'm about to eat my next meal and then go get my tan and then chill, have another meal, and go to bed. I'm wasting away right now.
So, do you guys feel more sorry for me or for her?
I already feel sorry for those. Wasting away.
Sorry, Rick. Everyone sees you now. Thought we didn't notice, but we did. Get check the elevator. No, I'm good.
Alright guys, so it's game day. I'm running a little late. I gotta go down to the athletes meeting now. It's 8:30 in the a.m. I'm on stage 11. So, hours are winding down.
Yeah, Rick was supposed to let you know what time it was, but you forgot.
I'm hungry.
I love you too.
Red Bull is back. It's Rob Bailey. It's the hustle standard. Marty Poppins. Battle test. Come at me, bro. We can't lose. Black door. We can't lose. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. From the sidewalk to the stars. No, I'm never gonna settle. Watch out. I'm getting upset. I'm kinda pissed, I don't feel my legs, but I'm happy, I'm overjoyed, can't wait to see what happens next, boy, cause I'm new, and I'm improved, you can bet on this, I can't lose, I'm bigger than real life from HD, see me in 3D, it's widescreen, hold on to my breath, last one I got left. From the sidewalk to the stars, I'm never gonna settle. Hold on to my breath. Hold on to my breath. Hold on to my breath. What's up, Marty Poppins? Got that dummy rap. Running circles, ran you on my final lap. What you think of that? I'm a thundercat. I reign from now till the church puts me under that. Sneaking out the side door, can't use the entrance. Is this real life?
156, Katie
Chasing in the booth.
Come on, guys, kill me. There we go, Katie. Thanks, brother. Nice, girl.
Number 157, Marcy Simmons.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, man. Excuse us in front. Excuse us. Nice, please. Let's go, Katie. 156.
Right.
Yeah. Excuse us in front. Down in front, guys. Hey, guys.
Coming too hard.
Let's get it, Katie. Come on. Open it up.
Order the card. Face front. Front double bicep. Back double bicep.
Nice.
Face front. Follow up to your left, please.
Please. Nice, Katie.
All I do is work, hustle, kill. All I do is work, hustle, kill. All I do is work, hustle, kill. All I do is work, 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 hustle and kill. Fuck that. This is the This is the This is the remix. 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 Remix. When the time comes, there will not be enough people to bury the dead. When the time comes, there will not be enough people to bury the dead. When the time comes, there will not be enough people to bury the dead.
Never on the sidelines, I only never take a day off, I only I don't mess around, kid, I only Marty never sleeps, all I do is work. Never on the sidelines, I only never take a day off, I only I don't mess around, kid, I only Marty never sleeps, all I do is work. 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 Hustling. All I do is work. 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 Hustling, kill.
That's good.